Hey Gaetan, I finally opened up my 450 helicopter today. This is the model right here. I'm going to do some upgrading on it. First is probably going to be this speed controller, and then I'm going to upgrade the receiver. The gyro seems like a decent gyro, not quite sure, so. See, anyway, so there she is. I don't know how to track the blades on this because it has the permanent ones right there. Maybe these ones. Maybe I have to adjust these ones right here to get the blades up and down, not sure. But anyways, there she is. I'm going to change the canopy too. That's ugly. But I'm going to put a fuselage on it. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's going to be a 500, Hughes 500, or UH1 Huey. And it came with this controller, which I had to bind to it. I found that out today. I bound it. Anyways, the helicopter is now bound to the receiver, or actually the receiver's bound to the controller here. It's a FlySky model FSCT6B 6-channel. Cheap. Not enough to get me by for right now. So anyway, there it is. And I'm going to receive my Kestrel 500 SX from Nine Eagles coming soon. I'll add it to my little collection of helis here. But anyway, there you go. Just for you, Gaetan. I'll be texting you actually, and not texting, but emailing you and getting some pointers from you. Anyhow, here she goes. What do you think about the rotor head? It's got a nice swash plate. There's a lot of pieces that are already, say, that are non-adjustable, like these ones. These are pretty much the only ones that are adjustable. I think that's what I have to, twist to track the blades. But we'll see. I was thinking about swapping out the servos too for some solar servos. We'll see though. Definitely getting rid of this though. It's like it's a no-name 40 amp speed controller. I'm going to put a nice one in there. Anywho, there you go. When I start flying it, I will have my wife videotape me, and we'll see how I do. Bye.